Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Suppose somebody give you an Oracle dump EXPDP dump file and say please import it, and and he and she does not provide you the log files that is generated with that data pump. And he also said that this data pump is I have from last previous month, so please import this. I have only this term, please check it. So as a DBA, we need to check because data pump we don't did not have any command to check that data pump. There are some commands present in Linux servers like string, so we can check from that to open it. But for from our DBA side, for 100% surety we have to work on it. So for that, how to detect what is in the Oracle data pump dump file, we need to find and inspect that dump file before importing into our production servers. So let's begin how we will identify. There is one method, safest method is that, and most commonly used method is SQL file. We can run IMPDP with SQL file options so that it will generate our DDL statement into a text file without importing anything. In this method, we can have all the DDL statements, so we can open that DDL files and check that what is in the dump file and what schema it is working on. It is full backup, it is small, and like this we can open that file and we can find this. So I am going to show you that method. I have one file hr underscore full dump file. Suppose I am not having that log file. So only the user provided me the dump file and I have to check what is in this. So I am going to use IMPDP. I already had directory db backup which is already pointing to C db backup. So I'm mentioning that I'm using dump file. My dump file name is hr underscore full dot dmp. Now I am using SQL file. It will generate a SQL file for our dump so that we will know what is in this dump file. So I'm going to run this. Let's ask for username and password. Now you can see our SQL file is generated. This is our SQL file. Now I'm going to open this in Notepad. In this way, I have to know that what is in this dump file. You can see there are sequence, there are tables of HR schema, comments, there are procedure also. In this way, you can check the what is in our dump file. This is the one way for which we can, by reading the generated SQL file, we can identify users, tables, index, constant, procedure, package, and many other objects. There is one more way. We can run import and stop after metadata processing while generating a detailed log. We can import the data with option content equal to metadata only, and it will generate a log file. From that we will check which schema, content, and objects are present in this. In this way, we can do that. This is the best method we can use to check the dump file by generating SQL query sources. Or we can also test it by importing the database in any test environment if we have. There is one more thing to identify. If we generate the SQL files, then we can identify. Sometimes we do not know whether the backup is full schema or table. So we are going to generate that SQL file options and we will check indicator. For full export, it is using database export. For schema export, it is using schema export. For table export, it is using table export. You can see here it is using a schema export. So it's mean it is only schema is exported and it is connecting to HR. If they mention another thing like table export or database export, it means database fully database is exported, or if table export, if particular table is exported. Like this way we can identify. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.